Hello guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video from the sunny Cotswolds here. Today I'm going to show you the Obd2 Port and Fusebox locations on a 2017 Fiat 500. For the Obd2 Port, come over to the right hand side of the vehicle, or the driver's side of the vehicle in this instance. Open up the door fully. Just down beside the steering wheel on the right hand side you'll notice this pocket. Get your hand just under the plastic there, pull across, and then you'll notice a black cap at the top. Put your thumb in the bottom, there's a little release mechanism, and open it up. That is your Obd2 port. Now for your cabin fuse box, come over to the passenger side of the vehicle, or the left hand side of the vehicle in this instance. Again, open the door fully, open up the glove box, and you'll notice a cap in the back. Pull the tab down and out, and that exposes our cabin fuses. I will now put up the fuse diagram for these.
It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed, and now I'm taking over.
Now for the engine bay fuse box, we obviously need to go into the engine compartment, so you do that by pulling this red lever. Round to the front of the vehicle. There's a tab just here. Push it over to the right hand side. Put our bonnet stay down there, in that hole there. With your bonnet now safe and secure, you'll notice over the right hand side of the engine there's the battery. Right hand side of that again there's a black box. And this black box has a little flathead screwdriver latch just down the bottom. To show you how easy it is, I'm going to use the key. So you just push the key down, turn it 90 degrees and that'll pop up. And you can actually slide that off. And that exposes our engine bay fuse box. I'll now put up the fuse diagram for these.
It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed, and now I'm taking over for the day. Cause I can be what you wanna be, and I can feel but you laugh at me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on.
If you found this video helpful, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.